Hello, hello. This is Skeptical Gamer and some class of clans or class one. I forgot. This is my first time playing. I play Brawlster something, but it is okay. I'm a pro in class royale, I would say. I need to check what the hell is the name. Don't put in musketeer. I predicted it. Then I'm gonna go with the knight. He's gonna. What? Oh crap. This is my first video. Hello everyone. I hope I'll be famous in 5 years. Why am I playing so bad? This is my first time, dude. Jeez, dude, relax. To build up. What should I do? Ha! Just wasted his elixir. It's time for me to go in. Come on, Pekka. I need you on the right side. Go in, Mini Pekka. Take it down, please. Spamming everything! Spam everything! Spam it! Spam! Oh crap. Go! Go! I want this to be a 3 crown. Come on, go! Go! Spam! Spam everything! Spam! Yes! My first 3 crown in class royale. This will be it for day one of class war. Free to play series. Alright. We'll open this and end the video. Goblin cage, musketeer, let's go. I've watched some videos, OJ videos, so let's see. I think I'm gonna go for, yep, go out, fireball. This is it for video 1 of first day of free-to-play series, and I'll see you guys on the next day or the next hour. Let's go.